welcome to this video tutorial on the Idiom Decision Manager workbench. Today I'm going to give you an overview on how to navigate around the Decision Manager workbench and access the standard features of the user interface. All of the workbench functions run within this menu system, but first some of the features on how to use the menu system. The user can select what features to activate on the initial startup. The most common is to load favorites and shortcut bars on startup. The ability to reset the default panels from the shipped values, the users can actually extend grid attributes to their preference and they can be reset to the shipped values. During the course of using the workbench, the user can add menu items to the favorites list. In this example, I've got a couple of favorites I've actually loaded, and you can see in the two tabs that I've got two functions automatically loaded. The help launches the help manual at the system level, but when focus is at a function within the workbench, the help manual is launched to open for the subject area. These are called shortcut bars, and broadly speaking divides the workbench into role-based areas. By clicking one of them, the menu groups for that role are shown. So in here, under the menu group of model reference data, there's such thing as repository, etc. So here we can see an example of a basic grid edit function. So as you navigate down the grid, then the editable portion of the display is loaded for that function. The grids can be sorted by double clicking on the heading. All changes must be saved, pressing the save button. If not, then an uncommitted change message appears. An existing record can be copied as a template for a new record in there, but in this case it doesn't make sense to copy it. Delete shows a confirmation screen. But of more use within the context of a repository, we have child grids. This is a pattern that's fairly common within the application. As we change the top parent, the child responds with the associated data. As you change focus on the second grid, then its editable portion changes and also the association between XML schemas here. There is a field level audit capability here that records what's happened to the record during the course of its time, and also the actual individual field contents itself, if it's set as an auditable field, are shown. Help pressed within a function area here will load to the subject area of the manual. Fairly common to have filters in here where you can filter the views. So this operates on a contains value. If you hover over the field, it tells you the operation of the actual search criteria. We have multi-tab views where you can actually go from function to function. This concludes the demonstration of the menu navigation and standard features within Decision Manager Workbench. Thank you.